Something happened to the world's ultra wealthy that hasn't happened in years. According to a new report, it's becoming harder to get super rich and stay super rich. Robert Frank looks at why and the potential impact.
The creation of millionaires in the world is expected to slow in the next 10 years, and that could lead to a slowdown in the market for high-priced homes from Monaco to Miami. A new report from real estate firms Douglas Elliman and Knight Frank found that the population of millionaires and multimillionaires fell in 2015 for the first time since the financial crisis. There are now 500,000 people in the world worth 10 million or more, and 187,000 worth more than 30 million, both down 3% from 2014.
I think the problem at the moment is you think about the headwinds to wealth portfolios from equity markets, commodity markets, and lots of other sectors. And actually all of those trends are pushing down at the moment on wealth portfolios. But I think the longer term trend is we will see more generation of wealth over time, and there will be new wealthy people minted over the next decade.
The decline was driven by slowing growth in emerging markets, especially China, along with falling commodity prices and volatile stock markets. Knight Frank said the decade-long boom in millionaires is likely to slow in the next decade, but there will still be 40% more multimillionaires in 2025. New York had the largest number of multimillionaires in the world, followed by London. While wealth will still slow, the rich still plan on buying a lot of real estate. More than a third of today's wealthy are considering buying properties this year. Last year, the wealthy buyers mainly came from China. Vancouver had the biggest price gains at 25%, followed by Sydney and Shanghai. This year, the strongest markets are expected to be Sydney, New York, and Monaco. So if you've got $1 million to spend and want to do some global real estate shopping, where do you go for value? Well, Monaco is the world's most expensive market. $1 million only gets you 182 square feet, and $1 million buys only 215 square feet in Hong Kong. The U.S. remains a bargain, with $1 million buying 290 square feet in New York.
I think the U.S. is very well priced and very well positioned for international investors. I think we've certainly seen less price growth over the current cycle than you did in the previous cycle. So actually, some locations in the U.S. are looking very good value.
When asked about their favorite city in the world, the rich ranked New York second in 2015, just behind London. Singapore ranked third. For a Nightly Business Report, I'm Robert Frank.